So WhatsApp has new features for 2021, and as a regular user, you need to get familiar with them. Let's find out what they are.
I don't know.
So WhatsApp's latest update from Facebook arrived at the 3rd of December 2020. Not many people may have noticed them, but it's worth going through them one at a time. Let's dive into the first one. You know, when you have so many images from WhatsApp you don't need in your gallery and you sometimes have a hard time trying to delete them? Well, WhatsApp has a new feature to take off just that. And that would be the storage management tool, where there's a feature that allows you to delete files directly within WhatsApp without having to visit your gallery or your system folder. Now, to access that, get into your WhatsApp settings, click on storage and data. The manage storage option is right at the top. Now, clicking on that takes you to a page with a number of information. First off, you have a gauge that shows you the amount of space WhatsApp media files occupy within your device against other apps. Beneath that, you have an arrangement of files larger than 5 megabytes, and below that is a list of chats that have sent you the most number of media files. Now, this is a really cool feature, and I think it's about time WhatsApp did that. I think most people will find it very useful. WhatsApp is getting really innovative. The next feature we're looking at is always on mute. This allows you to mute a chat forever. So tap on the chat, click on their profile, and tap the mute notifications option. You now have a new option to mute always. Well, I guess you can now avoid your boss's messages. On to the next feature. The days of locking WhatsApp with a third-party app are now over. WhatsApp now gives you a feature that does just that. In your settings, go to Accounts, Privacy. You'd find the Fingerprint Lock option at the very bottom. Now, iPhone users can use their Face ID to do that. Now you can safely secure your WhatsApp messages without having to install a third-party app to do that for you. Yeah, pretty cool. You can now send self-destructing messages on WhatsApp, aka disappearing messages, meaning when you send a message to a chat, it expires after 7 days. Activating that is just as easy as the others. Tap on the chat, tap on the profile, and find the disappearing messages option within the list of options. Turn it on, and when you get back into the main chat, you'd find out that there's an icon beneath the person's display picture. And looking inside of the main chat just below, you'd find a notification telling you that disappearing messages has been activated. Now, this isn't a foolproof feature because someone can still take a screenshot or forward your message, so just be careful when you use that. Now for some upcoming features. You'll soon be able to make voice and video calls on WhatsApp web. You'll soon be able to use WhatsApp with the same account on different devices. WhatsApp will be able to hide your inactive chats of over 6 months. And you'll be able to make financial transactions on WhatsApp. This is already out for other countries. You'll be able to set a chat to read later and get to it when you're less busy. So that's it for today's video. Tell us what you want us to cover in our next video in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. My name is King and I'm out.